chemical basis of life. Part 1, Introduction. All living organisms are made of chemical compounds. These compounds are formed when different elements bond together. Out of the 92 naturally occurring elements, about 25 are found in living organisms. The 4 most common are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Other important ones include sulfur, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and chlorine. This figure shows percentages of main elements in the body. Part 2, Organic and inorganic compounds. Compounds in living things are divided into 2 main groups. 1. Organic compounds, which contain carbon. The most important are the biomolecules. Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Vitamins are also organic compounds. 2. Inorganic compounds, which do not contain carbon. But remember, a few carbon-containing compounds like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbonates, and bicarbonates are still considered inorganic. Other examples are water, minerals, and gases. This table is for extra knowledge. Part 3, Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the most abundant organic compounds on Earth. They are produced during photosynthesis in green plants. Examples include potato, sweet potato, grains, sugar, and flour. Carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, with hydrogen and oxygen in a 2-to-1 ratio, just like water. The general formula is CX, H2O, Types of carbohydrates. A. Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest sugars. They are small, crystal-shaped, sweet, and water-soluble. Glucose, found in ripened fruits and bee honey. It is the end product of hydrolysis of starchy foods and is absorbed directly into blood. Plants produce glucose during photosynthesis, and cells break it down in respiration to release energy. Fructose, found in ripened fruits, bee honey, pumpkins, and carrots. Known as fruit sugar, it is formed during ripening of fruits. It is also the sweetest sugar. Galactose, found in dairy products. It is released when lactose is broken down. Galactose has no sweet taste. B. Disaccharides. Disaccharides are formed when 2 monosaccharides join together, releasing a water molecule. Maltose, found in germinating seeds, formed by 2 glucose molecules. It is an intermediate product of starch breakdown. Sucrose, found in table sugar, sugarcane, beets, and fruits, and the phloem sap of trees, formed by glucose plus fructose. This is a common household sugar. Lactose, found in dairy products like milk, formed by glucose plus galactose. It is the only sugar absent in plants. It is not as sweet as sucrose. In cow's milk, lactose makes up 4 to 6%, and in human milk, about 6 to 7%. C. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are large molecules made by joining many monosaccharides. They are insoluble in water and not crystalline. Cellulose, found in plant cell walls and fibers. It is not digested by humans, but it helps prevent constipation as dietary fiber. Starch, found in grains, yam, jackfruit, and breadfruit. It is the main storage carbohydrate in plants. Glycogen, found in animal liver and muscles. It is the main storage carbohydrate in animals. Importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are vital because they act as energy sources. Glucose provides energy during respiration. Energy storage, starch in plants, glycogen in animals. Structural components, cellulose strengthens plant cell walls. Genetic material components, ribose in RNA and deoxyribose in DNA. Part 4, Test for carbohydrates. 1. Starch test, iodine test. Grind the food sample with water. Add a drop of iodine solution. If starch is present, it turns purplish blue. 2. Glucose test, Benedict's test. Take glucose solution, add Benedict solution, and heat in a water bath. The color changes step by step. Blue, green, yellow, orange, brick red precipitate, depending on glucose concentration. 3. Sucrose test. Add Benedict solution to sucrose and heat, no color change. But if sucrose is first boiled with dilute sulfuric acid, it breaks into glucose and fructose. Then with Benedict solution, the same color changes appear as in the glucose test. To summarize, monosaccharides like glucose, fructose, and galactose are the building blocks. Disaccharides like maltose, sucrose, and lactose are made of 2 monosaccharides. Polysaccharides like cellulose, starch, and glycogen are large storage or structural carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are not only our main energy source, but also storage molecules, structural components, and essential parts of genetic material. And with simple laboratory tests, we can easily identify them in foods. That concludes our lesson on the chemical basis of life, carbohydrates.